Yeah, David, infectious disease experts from Erlanger and CHI Memorial say they've seen about a 25 to 30% increase in the number of hospitalizations in the last few weeks. And according to the Hamilton County Health Department, there's been about a 30% increase in active cases. Now, with flu season just ramping up, they say this is a pretty concerning development that may require people to get creative this holiday season. Just a few weeks into fall, more than half the country is seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases, including Hamilton County.
Without a doubt, both the number of cases that are being reported in the community as well as the number of hospitalizations are increasing.
According to the health department, from September 30th to today, active cases in the county went from hovering around 600 to just over 800. Dr. Mark Anderson from CHI Memorial says he believes it's partly due to general fatigue over pandemic precautions.
I think even in Hamilton County and everywhere else where there are things like mask mandates and restrictions in place, there's going to be fatigue with those measures.
While hospitalizations have also increased in the last few weeks, now up to 67, Erlanger's Dr. Jay Sizemore tells Channel 3 most of those patients are not county residents, but people from nearby areas with less restrictions.
Many of our hospitalizations come from areas of either our state or other states where there is not a mask mandate.
With the pandemic now being called a twindemic as it collides with flu season.
We've already had one hospitalization, at least that I'm aware of, where a patient has had both influenza and COVID-19.
Both infectious disease specialists say what people do moving into the holiday season could have a significant impact on what happens next.
People really need to think about it and plan for it, and there are ways to do it safely.
They recommend people be prepared to make adjustments to their holiday plans.
Whether or not we do it virtually, all of those strategies could potentially mitigate, increased rates of disease.
Well, Dr. Anderson says he pointed out that they're in areas where they have mask mandates like Hamilton County. There hasn't been as significant of a spike in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations as there have been in areas that do not have those precautions in place. For now, reporting live in Chattanooga tonight, Joy Dukes, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.